Assalamu alaikum dear students. Our today's topic is some commercially important alcohol. Number 1, methanol. Dear student, methanol is also known as wood alcohol because it is prepared from the destructive distillation of the wood. Commercially it is prepared by carbon dioxide and hydrogen in the presence of zinc oxide, copper oxide and chromic oxide. Temperature is already specified. You can see in the reaction already given over here, and we can obtain methanol. Methanol is very toxic. Even the small traces amount can go for having the night blindness if we go for ingesting, and this more quantity can go for causing the death. It is also used as a laboratory reagent and also used as a solvent for paint and varnishes. Dear student, it is also used for preparation of formaldehyde. Next, we talk about the ethanol. Ethanol is manufactured on a large scale from the molasses. What is molasses? A brown syrup prepared from the raw sugar. During the sugar manufacturing process, molasses is diluted with water, whereby some of the cane sugar dissolve. The dilute solution is fermented with yeast. The enzyme invertase and zymase are present in the yeast. Invertase converts sugar into the mixture of the glucose and fructose. So dear student, what we are doing? We are using molasses. So molasses, when we go with the use of enzyme, हम enzyme invertase use कर रहे हैं and we are obtaining glucose and fructose. Zymase convert the mixture into ethanol and carbon dioxide. So you are able to see the further reaction. Glucose and fructose. So हम use कर रहे हैं zymase, that is an enzyme. It converts it into ethanol and carbon dioxide. And dear student, remaining the 95% जो आपका अल्कोहल बचा, उसके बाद जो वाटर बच रहा है उसको हम बोलते हैं रेक्टिफाइड स्पिरिट. Pure alcohol, that is absolute alcohol, cannot be obtained by fractionation. It is difficult and expensive to remove the last traces of the water. So it is very difficult. You can go for having the mixture of 7.5% of water, 18.5% of alcohol and 74% of the benzene. So sometimes it can be distillated out. Rest, the absolute alcohol is 99.9% and traces amount of the metallic magnesium can be over there. Absolute alcohol is hygroscopic and should be carefully preserved away from the moisture. Hygroscopic का मतलब it can easily absorb the water. Hygroscopic का meaning वे होता है. Okay, so also we know rectified spirit and absolute alcohol like alcoholic drinks are taxed at a very high rate. For many industries purpose they are used over and they are known as methylated spirit. Denaturation of the alcohol is already I have given to you that denaturation of the alcohol is 95% of your spirit and 5% of the methanol. So it becomes poisonous, so no one can drink it. That is called denaturation. Also, for as it is colorless, to make it colorful, we go for adding copper sulfate, CuSO4. So it cannot be used over there. Alcohol uses are already given as a solvent for the paint, varnishes, perfumes and so on. Also, it is used for the production of the wine. Wine is made from the grapes which contain the sugar. Sugar are crushed to squeeze for the juice. The fungi yeast grows naturally on the skins of the grape. Its enzymes start the fermentation of the sugar in the juice as soon as the grapes have been crushed. Fermentation is carried out in the absence of the air, that is anaerobic. This is because of the oxygen of air oxidizes ethanol to ethanoic acid, which destroys the taste of the alcoholic drink. Fermentation is complete when all the sugar has been converted into alcohol after several days. The wine is stored for the several months or even the year to mature before being bottled for the seal. So dear student, herein we are able to see different terms like what is absolute alcohol, what is methylated spirit, what is denatured alcohol. So you can copy your notes from this particular given data that is already there in the front of you. You can also write the preparation of the wine. Also, the last topic which is remaining, that is about the effect of the alcohol on the body. But dear student, I would like to suggest that whatever the notes are given till here, the videos which are uploaded till now, please write down the notes from that. And also in this particular video, the importance of the alcohols are given. So what you can do, you can go for writing out the notes of the some important alcohols. It may be directly, indirectly helpful for you in the exam. One more important thing, in this particular video we are just doing with some commercial importance of the alcohol. In our next video we are going to start with the phenol's method, preparation and so on. As you know, the chapter is divided into 3 parts, that is alcohols, phenols and ethers. So one by one we are going to see all those particular aspects. Second, the last topic, that is in this one, the effect of the alcohol on the body. Dear student, in small quantities, ethyl alcohol, that is called alcohol, it stimulates and can be beneficial in small quantities. In small quantities, alcohol increases the flow of digestive juices and stimulate the appetite. In large quantities, alcohol can make whole nervous system less sensitive, and excessive intake of the alcohol over the long period can cause addiction, that is alcoholism, affect the liver, kidney, and eventually can cause the damage to the brain. So dear student, it is already given over here that what are the benefits and what are the disadvantages of the alcohol. So herein we are completing one part of the chapter. You can also make the notes from this particular provided to you. Thank you.